Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to make a duet video in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now to create a duet video, you have to make sure that two of the videos that you want to make a duet of is in sync. But I don't really have any clip ready for such video, so I would show you just the process. So the first thing that you have to do is click on overlay and add overlay. Select the second clip that you would use for your duet, and then here you can choose the two videos, click and hold, and then you can drag your videos to adjust them according to the sound or how you want to place them, and then go to aspect ratio. Now it completely depends on you which aspect ratio you want, but when you are duetting two videos, it's often really a good idea to choose a wider aspect ratio like this 4:3 screen, and then here you can freely adjust your videos according to the screen. Obviously you can edit it however you like, but that's really the basic idea here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.